Hi, I'm Dr. Gary Brown, and I'd like to welcome you to my video where I will share some approaches on how to solve some very fun problems that can be done with a logical approach, and we can certainly solve them with an algebraic approach if we apply the PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, that kind of idea, the order of operations, and those will come a long way to assisting us in getting the correct solution. Just as a review, with PEMDAS, it's the order of operations. It's critical to getting the correct answer, and the method is to apply parentheses first, followed by exponents, and then as we read from left to right, whichever would come first, either the multiplication or division, and then in order of operations in terms of priority, addition and subtraction are of equal priority, and they will come last. So you'll do this in approach of PEMDAS, but sometimes, and I've seen this written lately, people would write this as PEDMAS, or there's different ways to do it as long as you realize first two have to be in that particular order, parentheses and exponents, and then you have a little bit of flexibility depending on which comes first. Okay, so let's get started. Let's have fun. This is the puzzle we are going to solve today. It has symbols for the Chrome, Firefox, and Opera web browsers. Pay close attention to the mathematical symbols. I have the puzzle here. Can you solve this? It has various web browsers, Chrome, Firefox, and one called Opera. And I'm going to call the X variable the Chrome symbol. The Y variable will be the Firefox symbol. And finally, the last symbol we'll work out is what we'll call Z, or the Opera symbol. And so let's dig in and enjoy this. So in looking at the puzzles, some of them will have challenging little nuances to them. This one's fairly straightforward until the last step, where we will need to apply the rules of orders of operation. So as we look at the first line, we have 3 Chrome, so we're just going to symbolize this as 3x equals 24, and then we'll take the multiplication identity. Whatever we do to the left, we'll do to the right. So we divide both sides by 3 on purpose to cancel out, to reduce us to the value we're looking for. X equals 8. So now we've solved for the value of x. Next, we will use that information to help us solve for y. And as we do that, we have 2 of the Firefox. So we could say that is 2y plus, and the value of Chrome is 8, equals the given of 20. Now we'll apply the additive inverse to both sides for that 8. So it becomes 2y plus 8 minus 8 equals 20 minus 8. The 8s, we set up those on purpose so they would cancel. So we have 2y equals 12, summation of 20 and a negative 8. And then we do the division of the identity. So we'll get those to cancel. This becomes 1y equals 6. So we're doing really great. We're almost done. Just a little bit more to go. Okay, in our next step, interesting, we have the Firefox and the symbol Opera. We don't know what the value is here, but we do know what the value is for the Firefox. So we have what amounts to be the value 6z minus, and this is 1z, equals 10. 6 minus 1, combining the coefficients, gives us 5z equals 10. And then we do the division of the identity, both sides the same. For cancellation, we have z equals 2. So this is going great. We have all the values we need. We just need to be patient and apply our steps of PEMDAS to come up with the desired solution. So now here we go. We have 8 plus 6 divided by 2 equals, and I'll just write the 1 question mark. And now it's very important that we read this from left to right, but we acknowledge that we have a division sign, and with that division, in terms of its priority, it comes before any addition or subtraction. So it becomes 8 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3, and we get our solution 11. So the answer to this puzzle is 11. And as we did this, we applied PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So we applied the order of operations properly. We've done our math steps properly, and we came up with the values, and then we came up with the solution. So I hope that you found that to be fun and certainly doable. And if you have any questions or comments, please write to me. And if you would, please like the video, give me a big thumbs up if you would, and please share the video. I'd appreciate that. Again, any questions, please contact me. And again,
that was easy.
That was easy, and I hope you find all the math problems that you do to be equally as doable. Have a great day. Thanks so much.